Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is linkage of biology with other fields. What is the linkage of biology with other fields? The functions and metabolic pathways occurring in the living organisms follows the principles and techniques of other fields of sciences like physics, chemistry, statistics, economics, etc. So such type of the linkage of biology with other field of sciences is called interdisciplinary sciences. Such type of linkage is called interdisciplinary sciences. So there are different interdisciplinary sciences which are mentioned. The first one is biophysics. Biophysics is the linkage of biology with physics. Biophysics is the linkage of biology with physics. It is the study of understanding biological phenomena and problems using principles and techniques of physics. For example, the different interdisciplinary sciences, which is the combination of biology and physics, which follows the principles of physics. It is used in neurosciences, it is used in geography, it is used in bioenergetics, it is used in physiology, etc. For example, how biology is used in physics. For example, during photosynthesis, the absorption of light follows the principles of physics. The second one is biochemistry. It is a combination of biology with chemistry. It is concerned with chemical substances and processes that occur in organisms. There are different metabolic reactions inside the body. So, it involves the structural analysis of the organic compounds that make up cells and of those that play key roles in chemical reactions of life. For example, respiration. During respiration, different oxidation reduction reaction takes place. For example, photosynthesis. So, in biochemistry, we study different types of chemical reactions and processes which occur in the living organisms. The third one is biogeography. Biogeography is the study of distribution of organisms in space and time. It is the combination, it is the linkage of biology with the geography. For example, why polar bears are found in certain parts of the Arctic region, or why malaria causing mosquitoes are found in damp areas. इस बायोजोग्राफी में हम पढ़ते हैं कि एक ऑर्गेनिजम्स एक स्पेसिफिक हैबिटेट में क्यों रहता है, उसके रहने की वजह क्या है, why they are found in certain parts of the region. For example, such type of habitat is suitable for that organisms. That is the reason. For example, malaria causing mosquitoes are found in damp नमदार जगह में पाए जाते हैं, नमदार और गर्म इलाकों में पाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये रीज़न है कि एक ऑर्गेनिज्म एक ख़ास लोकेलिटी में, एक ख़ास स्पेस में उसके रहने की, एक ख़ास हैबिटेट में उसके रहने की वजह क्या है. The third one is by statistics or biometry. It is a combination, it is the linkage of biology with statistics. It is the application of statistical and mathematical formulas in the study of biology. It is the study of it involves the design, analysis and interpretation of research data. In biostatistics, we use the different mathematical formulas. And by the help of these formulas, we solve the different biological problems. We solve the different research data. So such type of linkage is called biostatistics. It is also used in agriculture and in the medicine for the preparation of medicines. Number 5th is bioeconomics. Bioeconomics is the combination of biology with economics. It is the study of organisms from economical point of view. In bioeconomics, scientists calculate the cost and profit of the biological projects. For example, the production of new variety of crop. For example, अगर हमने एक नया crop, एक नई फसल इंट्रोड्यूस करानी है, उस पे एक्सपेंसिव कितने आएंगे, ठीक है, और उसका प्रॉफिट कितना आएगा. तो इस सच टाइप ऑफ लिंकेज इज कॉल्ड बायोइकोनॉमिक्स. यहाँ पर हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट हो, कोई भी बायोलॉजिकल प्रोजेक्ट हो, कोई भी बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम हो, तो उसको हम इकोनॉमिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं. सो such type of linkage is bioeconomics, and such type of sciences is called interdisciplinary sciences.